So we're going to make some mashed sweet potato today, kind of as a side dish. You can kind of use it with a roast or with whatever. Now, the amount of sweet potatoes you're going to see me make is a lot, because I'm going to be using that amount for different videos. You'll see another video or so pop up with that, but this one is just for a very simple, creamy, sweet mashed potato. Welcome back to How to Cook With. Okay, so here we go. We've got our sweet potatoes here. I'm going to cook these 1, 2, 3. I mean, they're fairly large if you compare them to my hand. Now, the reason I'm showing you them in this form is because with sweet potatoes, as soon as you peel it, it's going to start to go black. It oxidates really, really fast. So cut them and get them straight into water or whatever you're doing. In our case, we're going to be boiling these up. Now, there are many, many types of sweet potatoes. Many of you don't know that, but yeah, you can get kind of, very bright orange inside or white. There's loads of different types, just as there are potatoes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give them a scrub. I'm going to take any, kind of bad bits off, like this bit off and stuff like that. I'm keeping the skin on. Peel them completely if you want, but yeah, I'm going to keep the skin on. They're going to go into some water with some salt. We're going to boil them away. So I've now got these into some water. You can see that I've just chopped them up. There's salt in there as well. I mean, they're pretty chunky cuts. Now, sweet potatoes cook just like regular potatoes, but they will cook a little bit faster. They're slightly easier to cook. So we're going to bring that to the boil, let it boil until they're super soft. Then we're going to drain it off. Okay, so once this reached boiling point, it was like 5 minutes. Like I said, they cook quicker than regular potatoes. So stick your knife in. If it falls off, it's done. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to drain all the water off, and then we're going to mash these. So I've drained all the water off there, and we're going to just mash them up. I mean, I've got one of these kind of regular mashers, and it's really nice and soft. So I'm just going to go through it just for a couple of minutes back then. So I've taken a small amount of that sweet potato. Obviously the amount that I had, you saw boiling, is way too much. I mean, I'm going to be using that for other stuff. So just mashed it. All we're going to do is we're going to just drop some butter in there, as much or as little as you like, and then some black pepper. We're going to mix that in, get that butter melted in there, and job done. You've got a really nice, easy, mashed sweet potato, which, you can use as a nice side dish. So really creamy and really delightful. Hope you enjoyed that. Take it easy, be safe, be well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.